Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a customer feedback and NPS form in WordPress via Bitform. Let's get started. First, open your Bitform dashboard and click on the Create First Form button. Next, choose the type of form you want to create from here. For this tutorial, I will create a customer feedback and NPS form. So I will use the built-in contact form template. Now, give your form a name. Then, drag and drop the necessary fields from the left sidebar into the form builder, and customize them according to your needs. Once done, click on the Update button, and copy the shortcode. Now go to your page, and paste the shortcode into a shortcode block. Finally, publish it, and your customer feedback and NPS form is ready to use. That's how you can easily create a customer feedback and NPS form in WordPress with Bitform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.